I don't tell people judge me by my credentials or my degrees or all that stuff because that's just papers. They can say a lot of wonderful things, and at the end, I may not deliver. What's the point, right? So I tell them, test drive it. If the test drive is amazing, great. But if the car is fantastic, doesn't even start, what's the point? So if you develop your skill and become better and better and more masterful, no matter what the marketplace does, you're going to do great. And I wouldn't bank so much. I'm going to contradict a little bit, Monica. I wouldn't bank so much on being unique. Because unique for who? Right? It's great that we're unique for ourselves, and we are. But we're not going to be that unique for the marketplace. Because the marketplace is huge. So between having to relate to 35,000 coaches, and a lot of them speaking the same languages, how somebody that is the public, let's say that you get hired by the government, right, to do massive coaching, how are they going to distinguish how unique you are? They're going to start looking at all kinds of things, but it's not going to jump out of them, this person is so unique, I need them for this and this and this reason, right? And I wouldn't invest my entire time into trying to be as unique as possible because 8 billion people.